Let's read music on our G string. The notes on our G string are open G, first finger is A, second finger is B, third finger is C. We use these ledger lines as we go underneath the staff so that we can extend the staff and play underneath of it with our lowest string. So let's look at this first line on our G string page. We're starting out with half notes, we're continuing with quarter notes, and we're ending the line with a whole note, which is 4 beats. So 2 beats, then 1 beat each, and then 4 beats for that whole note. So let's say it before we play it, then we'll do the fingers as we say it, and then we'll play it with the bow. So let's say it first. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, C, G, A, B, C, B, C, B, A, G. If you feel silly, you're doing it right. So let's do it with the fingers on the string, no bow. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, B, C, G, A, B, C, B, C, B, A, G. So now let's do it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. So let's look at that next line. We have just quarter notes and half notes. So let's say it before we play it. G, A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, A, G. Let's say it with just our fingers, no bow. Ready, go. G, A, B, A, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, A, G. And let's play it with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. So let's look at that third line. Let's say it before we play it. G, A, G, A, B, A, B, A, B, C, B, C, G. Let's do it with just the fingers and your mouth. 1, 2, ready, go. G, A, G, A, B, A, B, A, B, C, B, C, G. Now let's play with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. Now let's do that fourth line. We're going to say it before we play it. Ready, say it. G, C, B, A. G, C, B, A. C, G, A, B. C, G, A, B, G, B, G. Now let's say that last line with the fingers. 1, 2, ready, say it. G, C, B, A, G, C, B, A, C, G, A, B, C, G, A, B, G, B, G. Now let's play with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go.